Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Billie Eilish from her lunch music video. So let's get started. To draw cute Billie, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come right across about this wide and draw another circle. Now that my two circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with two smaller circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Now that the eyes in, let's spruce them up on the sides with some lashes. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve coming out and another one. So maybe a little bit shorter, and same thing here. Longer one and then a shorter one. Then from there, let's give her some thick brows. So I'm going to come up about right here and I'm just going to draw a soft angle line. And then thicken them up. And same thing here. I forgot if her brows are black, so I'm just going to leave them blank for now, just in case. So then from there, I'm going to give her a sweet smile. So about right here, let's go ahead and draw a curve and then come up a little bit with a smirk and cap it off. There. Then let's go ahead and frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of the eye, really close to these lashes, and give myself a point. And same thing here. And let's go ahead and just basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to go around the eye, but I'm going to angle a little bit more. Just a little bit wider, and I'm just going to say about right here, find my center, and I'll just give myself a point right here so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to go ahead and curve to my point there, and same thing here, like jaw area, and then curve for the chin. Okay, there. Round this off a little bit too sharp there. And then now that I have that, I'm going to bring this up a little bit more, kind of to where her brow is, because we need to put her hat on her. So kind of like the level of the brows. And then I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve right over the brows. There. And then I'm going to bring this curve out just a little bit. And same thing here. Just a little bit, not too much. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw her hat. So I'm going to go up. And bring it in a little bit, and then let's see, nice and high. And I'm going to go in towards the center, and then same thing on the other side. Go right here and right back down. There. So it's a little bit straighter here, and then curves in. And then at the top, right in the center, about right there, we're just going to draw a little curve for the center. And then let's come in this area right here, and I'm going to go ahead and draw the opening. So right about here, I'm going to go up and start to curve it down close to that edge and bring it in. And we're going to come right here and draw a curve for the band. Just following that curve, and I'll come in here for some details with another curve and then maybe some dots. And then right here, we can go ahead and just lightly give it some detail and just draw a curve right across. And here from the center, just bring some curves down, 2 of them, just to give our hat some detail. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come back to this edge right here, and we're just going to come down with a curve. So that's her hair. And on this side, we're going to come right about here, and we're just going to draw a strand coming out just to mix it up. And then come back right about here. There. And then last thing about the hat right here, very important, we need to draw the lip. So I'm going to come out right here and curve in. Now that we have all that in, let's go ahead and work on her body before we finish the rest of her hair. So I'm going to come right to the center and give her a little neck. And I'm going to bring down the shoulders and down. So same thing here. And down. And then from there, let's see here, let's come back to about right here, kind of where before it starts to slope. We're going to come right about here and break it down. So we're going to draw 2 curves coming in because she's wearing a jersey, and then I'm going to bring this all the way down. There. And so then let's come back, now that we have that, to draw our neckline. So let's draw the jersey first. I'm going to come in right here. Big curve. And then another one. Black stripe. There, and then she has another shirt inside, like the sweatshirt. So about right here. Tighter, and then lightly go around that for the sweatshirt. So when you color, just this is white, and then this is the jersey. Hopefully I have that correct. Okay, so then now that we have that in, let's go ahead and we're going to bring this jersey down. I know there's a lot more detail. She has chains and a lot of stuff going on, but we're trying to simplify this drawing. So I'm just going to be drawing the jersey today. So let's bring it down nice and low to say about right there. And I'm going to go ahead, now we're at the same height. I'm going to go ahead and just wobble a little bit all the way across. Then from there, we're going to go straight, find your center, come straight about right here, give yourself a point, and we're going to bring down a line to say about there. I'm going to come here, angle this a little bit, and same thing here. So her shorts, and let's go ahead and just go ahead and connect it on both sides. They're wide shorts, so that's why they're kind of stuck together. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw her legs. So let's come right here. I'm going to work on this side first. I'm going to angle a line coming down, and same thing here. So it's going to get a little bit thinner right about there, and we're making them short so that so that everything looks very long in terms of her clothing. So then let's come back. Right now we have that. This is going to be lower. We're going to come right here and curve down and up. Then let's come right here. I'm going to pop this out for her shoe. For the heel, this is going to go out and then come down and curve out, down. And then we're going to bring it around. Oops, bring it around and connect. There, I'm giving her a big shoe. And then let's come right here. We're going to curve and follow all the way for the sole. And just to make it a lot simpler, I'm just going to come right here with 2 lines. And she has socks, so about right here, I'm just going to cut it off. So same thing on the other side. Just going to follow what I drew on the other side. So 1, and then this side is going to be a little bit higher up. And then once again, curve down and up. Then pop this out. Pop this out. And once again, we're going to go around, angle, and in. There. So let's come right here and we're going to curve and follow. And 2 lines. There, and pair of socks. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw her arms. So I'm going to have them to her side, nice and simple. So I'm going to come here and we're going to poof it out a little bit because it's very oversized. So then as we come down, we want her hands to be about in this area. So I'm going to come about right here. I'm going to start to wobble a little bit and then bring it in. And then right here, give it a little cuff. And then her hands. So I'm going to draw a thumb. Go around for her fingers and in. She even has gloves on, so I'm just going to shoot little curves right there. So same thing on the other side. Come in, and then as we come to the bottom, just like the other side, going to end about right there. Just going to wobble and bring it in. Little cuff. And once again, thumb and fingers. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's see, let's finish her hair first. So I'm going to bring this down and wobble a little bit and just bring it in. And then this side, same thing. Another strand and then just wobble in. And right here. And here. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and decorate her jersey. So the most prominent thing is the word Supreme that we're going to write across right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and try my best to quickly mimic whatever is on her jersey, so it's all at an angle. Supreme. P R E M E. And then I think there's like a star right here at the end, and the number 32, so come right about here. And then there's part of a star that pops out on the side right here, so just part of it. So I'm going to go right here and thicken it up. And then there's this little red tag right at the bottom. And some Chinese characters that I'm just going to kind of write. Something close. So as long as it's kind of close. I'm not sure what it says, but as long as we have something like this in here, it's going to look good enough. And then we need to draw some stripes. I'm going to simplify it by drawing, let's see, maybe just a center one right here coming down. And then I'll add 2 more on the sides. And same thing here. There, okay. There's some thicker stripes here on the sides. And let's see if we're missing anything. I'll put a heart right here. and this red label to make her my Draw So Cute Billie Eilish from her music video, from her lunch music video. I really hope I helped you draw her fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.